Is this Joe Dumars? Why is Joe Dumars on the list and there's no Jokic? Joe Dumars was IT's side piece. You're not putting Jokic on here? NBA tier list. Here we go. All-time NBA tier list. All-time NBA players. Here we go. All right, we got a lot of people. All right, chat, lock in. Hey, I appreciate that, Cam. I appreciate that with the stream quality. I appreciate that, my boy. All right, first player. Bill Russell. All right, I mean, people, like, it's hard with Bill for real because he has, like, arguably, he has the most rings for a player, but he played against fucking nobodies. I'm talking straight LeBums. But he's still the most decorated center. I'm going top 30. I'm putting Bill in top 30. Karl Malone. Mr. Minor. Mr. Two-time felon. Top 30. Top 30. I'm giving him top 30. Jerry West, the logo, I'm going top 32 because I don't think he cracks the top 15. I mean, I haven't seen him play, but I don't think he cracks top 15. I think he's close, like 16 or 17, but not top 15. We're going to go Jerry at the top 15. Or top 30. Dr. J. See, I think top 50. I think he's just above the top 30 mark. I fucking love me some Dr. J though. Best nickname. And then we got Shakeezy. Big Shakeezy, man. Top tier, top 15. Nah, it's top tier. That's most dominant centers in the NBA. Hakeem, hey, chat, man. Bring up the vibes, man. Look who just joined up in the chat, man. Hey, everyone, bring your attention to Mr. Cade Swavey. Click on his account, go follow the man, and go check out his content. All right, now we're getting the vibes going. We got the boy K Swavey, Big K Swavey. Oh my God! Wait, stop. Wait, chat. Hold up. I don't really care if you cry. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. I am not afraid to edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All right, Big Swavey. Now we got a real hoop head in here. Though. See, now we got a real hoop head. Actually, help me out with this. All right, D Wade. This is the list so far. We got Shakeezy, top tier. We got Bill Russell, Malone, West in like the top 30 range, and then I put Dr. J at the top 50, like right outside the top 30. You already know we're rocking that New Jersey Vince. Hey. D Wade, I don't care what y'all say. I got love for D Wade right here. You know what? Matter of fact, hey, chat, y'all want to see something about D Wade? I'll be right back. Chat. It's right here. That is signed by Mr. D Wizzy, Mr. Dwayne Wade himself. You see the three? That's a D Wade sign right there, man. And you already know we're putting D Weezy in the top 15, man. My guy, Mr. Assassin, Mr. Durantula, Mr. Cold Face Killer. Top tier. All right, that's the best scorer of all time right there. He's done it. He's top tier. He's up there. And right behind him is this man right here. After I saw this man at the gold medal match in France hit that shot, bro, that is, you have two people on you and you got KD. We're not talking bums. We're talking KD and LeBeezy, LeBron, open on the left. And you're hitting a behind-the-back, step-back fade over 2 for a game? With LeBeezy and Durantula open on the left? Bruh, chat, let me show you all this video I got of that shot. It's honestly one of, like, the greatest, what's it called? Like, angles of that final Curry shot in the gold medal game. If I can find it, bitch. Yeah, it's right here. Here we go. I think this was it. Nah, that wasn't it. Bro, I want to find this video quick. Which one was it, bro? Here we go. I got it, chat. Look, Kay, look at this vid, bro. This is me. I was basically courtside at that gold medal match game. Bro, he hit that shot. I got butterflies, bro. I've never seen a man. Bro, can I put this shit like this? Yeah, that's better. Look at him. This mother, back to KD. He said, nah, give me that bitch back. Behind the back, step back, over 2. What? What? Step back over 2? With LeBeezy and Durantula? Come on. Hey, bro, you see this shit in the back? It says Paris 24 and those flags right there. They were at my seats. I brought them bitches back, bro. I got a whole shrine over here. Bro. I got the cards, bro. Got a whole fucking this Topps shit. Bro, I got a whole shrine over there. That was the greatest moment of my life. That was the greatest. All right, back to the list. Back to the list. Too much glazing. Too much glazing. All right. We're going Dirk. I think Dirk's top. I think he's. I don't know. What do you? I think it's top 50. Nah. He beat that LeBron team, top 30. Nah. What Dirk did in that one finals run, wasn't he like sick too? Nah. You're top 30. You beat that Heat team. Never too much glaze. Never. Kareem. We're talking top tier. El Capitan. All right. Now we got Nash. Nash was cold. Hey, but we're not going to act like Nash ain't robbed those 2 MVPs from Lepuki. Come on, bro. You're not telling me Steven Nash was the best player in the league when LeBron in his prime was walking around. No, bro. Hey, Steve, I love you, but you were not better than LeBron at any point in his prime. I'm going to let you know that right now. So, Steve, you're going top 50, buddy. Actually, nah, what am I... Low key, nah, he's MVP winner. Even though it's bullshit MVP, I'm still putting in top 50. Who is this? Is that Stockton? I'm gonna say top 30 just because of the assists. Because you gotta pay homage to that, bro. When you lead a stat in, like, you lead all time in a single stat, bro, that's goatness. That's goat. Clyde the Glide. I think. I'm going to say not top 50. He was a highlight reel, but, like, that might be crazy. That might be clip farm right there. That low-key might be clip farm. All right. Now we got KG, the big ticket. Top 50? See, I don't know about KG top 50. Actually, I mean, top fucking 50 trash talkers of all time. I don't know about. I'm gonna put him in not top 50 for now. We got AI, Mr. Allen Iverson. Hey, bro, if you haven't seen the Allen Iverson documentary, go watch that shit. That shit is fire. Let me get. Nah, it's top. Yeah, top 30. People disrespect AI too much, for real. Shit's crazy. All right. Is that fucking Elgin Baylor? Bro, the fact I knew who that was, too. I can't even see this man's picture. Elgin, not in top 50. I don't know who this... Oh, that's Rick Barry. I can tell by the free throw. Not in top 50. This, you just decided to cut off his head, but luckily I'm the biggest basketball fan in the fucking world. Charles Barkley. I only need to see half of your beautiful chin. That beautiful fat chin. Not in top 50. Fuck you, Charles. You're a bitch. Moses Malone. Moses. I'm gonna give him the ring. It's the top 50. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Where the fuck do I put Moses? Is that Hakeem? Bro, I already put you... That's Hakeem. I don't know where the fuck Moses Malone went, but we're just gonna just keep going on that. That is James Worthy. Hey, bro, if you look at the stats, bro, James Worthy was him. I'm putting James Worthy at the top 30. Irvin, we're talking top 15. We're talking revolutionizing the point guard at 6'9", right? First big one. Bro, I didn't mean it like that, all right? I didn't mean it like that, bro. Didn't mean it like that, all right? We got Scotty. Low key. It's... I wouldn't go top 15, but I think he's the best defender of all time. What do you think, chat? I'm saying best defender. I'm putting him top 30. Not top... Nah, top 15. Top 15. Without him, Jordan doesn't win those rings. I believe this is George Gervin, I think. Hey, what up, Winsky? What up, Winsky? How you doing, bro? We're doing an NBA tier list right now. And then we're about to play that the horror game I was talking about before. We got Moses. Or no, that's Iceman. I'm gonna say not in top 50. No, that's Iceman. Because he was on... I don't know who that... I think that's Elvin Hayes. I think that's who it is. Bro, I'm saying this fucking... I'm a Wizards fan. I don't even know my own team. But that's Elvin Hayes. Gervin? Nah, Gervin was top 50. Bro, get these bums. Like, when can I get to this man right here? Lepuki. All right. Walt Frazier. Not in top 50. Fuck you. D-Rob. David Robinson was slept on, bro. That man's was a force. I might have to go D-Rob. D-Rob at the top 30? Yeah. D-Rob top 30. Havlicek. I'm saying not top 50. I don't know. I don't know too much about, like, the 70s, 80s. Like, I know who was good. Like, I know Havlicek was one of the best players in the 70s, 80s. But, like, I don't know what the comp was like, for real. And, like, if he was actually, giving them buckets out. So, I'm going to say not top 50. Ewing, I mean, you got to give him a better picture. That's top 50. That's Big Ewing. Pierce, Washington, D.C. legend. Sadly, you're not. I don't think you're even in the top 100, little bro. Gary Payton, we're talking top 30. I'm not giving him the nudge. Scotty's already got. See, if you're the best at something, actually, I'm putting Stockton up because if you're the best, I'm saying if you're the best at one, like, you revolutionize or like you were the best person all time at the specific thing, you're going top 15. D Wade, just because I got love for Wade. Olajuwon was fucking, revolutionized the post game. Magic revolutionized that point guard position at 6'9". Scotty, best defense of all time. And John Stockton, best assister of all time. Where the fuck is Jokic at? Damn. They gave like all this. Oh, they're not hip to Jokic yet. I just realized. Yeah, so these are all like 2016 GOATs. Like, that's the only people you're gonna see on here for real from like current era. Bro said these black and white picks, but no Jokic. Yeah, are we talking George Mikan? Bro, we got George Mikan on the list before Jokic. What are we doing here? Nah, I might have picked the worst list of all time to fucking rate. But we're gonna keep on going with it. There are definitely some juicy ones in here. Pause. Ray Allen, again, before Curry, before Big Steph. We're talking this was the best shooter of all time, right? Nah, but I can't give him that top 15 though. Not Ray. Not Ray Allen. Not Ray Allen. Nah, Ray's not a top 15. Top 30 is even crazy. Cause like Curry can do everything, and Ray was only really I'm keeping him top 30. Fuck it. Bird. Yeah, I mean, bro, the trash talk from Bird, bro. This man was literally aura. This man pissed and shit aura, bro. He woke up in the morning and went to the bathroom and just shit aura. Hey, bro, back in those Bulls days, they used to go head to head for real. It's top 30 for IT in the Bill Laimbeer days. Is this Joe Dumars? Why is Joe Dumars on the list and there's no Jokic? Joe Dumars was IT's side piece. You're not putting Jokic on here? Yeah, all right. I'm not even gonna rate Dumars. He's staying in the fucking bottom. CP3, Mr. Never Won a Ring, not top 50. I'm sorry. CP, I love you. You're my goat. Them Lob City days was the craziest days of my life. Fucking watching DeAndre Jordan on Brandon Knight, bro. Is there even 50 players on this list? I think so. No, wait. Fuck. 4. Maybe. I'm not fucking counting. Too lazy for that shit. CP3, fuck him. On to next. J Kid. Hey, bro, I literally got his jersey on right now. That new jersey joint. He's rocking. Same color, too. Not top 50. Fuck you, Jason. Vince. Hey, man. Top 15. Check the jersey. We're talking Vince, man. We're talking Carter. We're talking the greatest dunker of all time. We're talking VC over that dude in the Olympics. Are you kidding me? When he had the afro? Bro, that dunk was the craziest dunk I've ever seen in my fucking life. VC top 15. Don't even care if all I did was dunk. That man's is him. KW, Kawhi. He got his chip. And that Toronto run was crazy. I'm not putting him top 15 though. I think Scotty was better than him in the defense cat. I'm keeping him top 30. Top 30 might even be crazy. Nah, Kawhi's top 50. I don't even think Kawhi's at that top 30 yet. That might be a clip farm too. That might be bait right there. Harden, stop playing with the fucking man. If you have a problem with this, go look up 2014 James Harden. All right, go look it up. Come back to me, and then tell me you don't have him in the top tier. All right, thanks. Next, he was averaging 50. 49, 48, 47, 42, 36, 45, 45, 40.
He's averaging 40. He's dropped 35, 29, 50, 32, 47, 35, 35, 39, 41, 45, 41.
Bro, like, that era of Harden was unmatched. No one is topping that Harden. Bro, that era of Harden, bro, you weren't touching him. The motherfucker was hitting side steps over Draymond and Curry and 1-3 buzzer. Are you kidding me? Nah, he was unreal during that stretch. Oh, here came Moses. Moses came back. I'm throwing Moses top 50. All right, chat. This one hurts my soul. I'm so glad is what he's been doing recently and getting his get back. But watching this man, the rise and fall of Russell Westbrook, might have been the saddest shit I've ever seen in my fucking life, bro. What this man was doing on a basketball court during that triple-double season, it gave me romantic feelings. I've never felt this way about a man in my life, other than maybe James. Triple-double Westbrook? That's top 15. That's a top That might be the second best point guard of all time behind Curry. It's like, now let me stop. Dwight. Is it crazy? Nah, Dwight's top fit. That defense was slept on. Dwight's defense was slept on, bro. I'm keeping Dwight top 50. Them dunk contest was lit too. That was the one where I think it was Gerald Green where he blew out the birthday cake, or not the birthday cake, the cupcake, bro. When he blew out the cupcake on that dunk, bro, those were the days where the dunk contest actually like meant something. Like when you would, everyone would gather around. Yo, the dunk contest is on. Get all the boys over. Dunk contest is on. Zach LaVine, Aaron Gordon. When you would actually be hyped for it. Now it's just like, bro, we got Mac McClung, a G League player, winning it back to back. Bro, why is there a G League player in the fucking NBA dunk contest? Go have your own G League dunk contest. Shout out to Mac though. He's the bro. Spud? Bro, why do we have Spud Webb on this list and we don't have Jokic once again? What is this Jokic slander? Bro, this man is 5'4". Jokic is 6 times the size of him. You're staying on the bottom, too, with Joe Dumars. Chat, it's time. It's time. Everyone unzip your pants. Everyone take them off. Lapookie. Fucking Lapookie. Everyone do a prayer. Alright, sorry. I had to do my Lapookie prayer. Got to do it every time I see him. This man just gives me the things I would do to you. Top tier. Can I make my own tier list where he's the only one? Daddy tier? Goat tier? How do we do that? All right, we got Ying Mao. Ying Mao. Where are we putting him? Bro's big as shit, but he was kind of ass. Not top 50. Argue with a fucking wall. Argue with Ming Yao, bitch. Is that T-Mac or Penny? Hey, someone help me out. Chat, is this T-Mac or Penny? At the 1. Nah, that's T-Mac. Penny was 0, right? Yeah, that's T-Mac. That's T-Mac. Top 50. Top 50. Top 50. Argue with your mama. All right? That's T-Mac. That's T McDizzle. That's T McGriddle. Carmelo. Another dude who has a special place in my heart, man. We're talking 3-point David. Nah, he really a demon, though. Nah, see, this is a real DMV demon right here. Carmelo Anthony. This is a real DMV demon. He just disappeared off my fucking screen. Or did I put him? I think I put him in a tier actually. Yeah, I did. Top 15. I put him in the top 15. Realistically, that's crazy. I think top 30. Nah, but he never got the ring, though. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. Because Melo could do everything. Bro, post work, what you want? You want dunk? You want layups? You want step back, hezzy, 3? Gimme 3. Top 50, though. Top 50. I don't think I can give him the top 30 nudge. Just because of, like, what he did. He had a team, too, but Thibodeau, I don't know. That might be rage. That might be rage bait right there. He might be a little higher. So I got respect for him too. Bro, why? Like, who are these people? We got Amari Stoudemire in the top 100. Bro, you're not even top 100, my dog. Kevin McHale. I mean, sure. Bill Walton, sure. Who the fuck is this? Reggie Miller. All right, Reggie deserves respect. He deserves respect. Top 50. Ben Wallace. Do I give him the nudge? Bro, he's low-key top, like, 5 defensive players of all time, I would say. Bro, you see Ben Wallace walking in the room, bro. I'm turning the other way. I'm walking the fuck away, bro. I am not getting in the way of fucking Ben Wallace. You don't think Ben Wallace is top 50, Winsky? Was that crazy? Over KG? Yeah, no, that was insane. What the fuck am I thinking? Ben Wallace over KG? Nah. Yeah, that was dumb. That was dumb. All right. Kobe. Rest in peace. Looking down on us. Kobe Bean. Top tier. No discussion. I mean, we're talking the GOAT of mentality. This man revolutionized hard work, and we're not even just basketball. This man is discipline. Dikembe, again, rest in peace, Dikembe. Not top 50. He's in this range right here with these players. See, now we got, is this Penny? I guess Penny and T-Mac were number 1. I swear Penny was not. Penny was 0. Buddy pulled out the 12-pack and Sparks stream. Hell yeah! All right. Bro, am I tripping out this Penny shit, though? I'm pretty sure I'm not tripping. Oh, no, I'm a fucking retard. Yeah, I'm just stupid. He was 100% number 1. Where was I getting the double zeros from? Bro, this was a few weeks ago. And again, you can argue with the fucking wall. One of you motherfuckers in chat says something about this pick. Mod, ban him. Any single person that says a thing about this man, fucking ban him. Really? See, that's what I'm saying. That man had so much fucking aura, he crashed my page. Never disrespect the rose, the flower, the GOAT. The biggest what if, bro, right here. Love this man, top tier, done deal. So now we got, who's this? Don't know. Tim Deasy. I low-key want to go top tier, but I'm going to go top 15. And then we got, who we got next? Wilt. This shit's fake, though. Bro, Wilt didn't score 100. That's just, he didn't score 100. That's cap, all right? That was pushed on to the U.S. population to fucking, for the Wilt glaze. It's not going to happen, all right? You played against nobodies. You're not my Lapuki. You're not him. You're actually not even in the top 50, bitch. Pistol Pete, again, dog, but not there. I got fucking issues with this one right here. This fucking bitch, bro. You come in my chat. We're done with the fucking 90s, okay? If you come in my chat talking about Mr. Michael Jordan, you're banned. Ban him as soon as they say some shit. We are done with the 90s, okay? Michael wasn't on shit. Michael was not on shit. Top tier? Fuck no, baby. You're top 15. I'll give you your respect, but you're not him. You're not this man right here. You're not this man right here. You ain't him. And that completes the list, man. Let's see. I want to see someone else's list. Let's see if anything's crazy. Let's click this person's list right here. Bro, chat, are we fucking serious? Look at this shit bottom right corner. Find this man's address and dox him, bro. Fucking dox him. D Rose, not really close? What? Vince Carter, not really close. You have John Havlicek in your top 30, and you have D Rose, not really close. Are we watching the same basketball? Hello? This man has Shaq in the top 20. And Olajuwon, Tim Duncan, and Bill Russell in top tier. Like Shaq ain't the best one out of all of them. That's fucking blasphemy. Nah, that's fucking crazy.
Yeah, I had 200 for lunch. Last night I fucked on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Looked at that time, it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crushed. Louis V, but my t-shirt is tucked. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly red, so I'm sipping a test. Go get it, I must. Fuck up good enough, pussy, no must.